Are there really forbidden images of Venus that NASA doesn't want you to see? Some videos online claim that there are secret photos that prove life exists on our nearest planetary neighbor. But here's the truth. There are no forbidden frames. The images we have are real, they're public, and they tell a story that's just as fascinating as any conspiracy theory. In the 1970s and 80s, the Soviet Union sent several Venera landers to Venus. These probes survived the planet's crushing heat and pressure, just long enough to send back the only photos ever taken from the surface of Venus. Some people look at those blurry images and claim they see creatures like a scorpion shape or a moving disc. But scientists have explained what's really going on. The so-called creatures were actually things like the lander's lens cap or just artifacts from the camera. The truth is, the Venera landers gave us an incredible gift. They showed us a rocky, desolate surface under a crushing atmosphere 90 times heavier than Earth's, temperatures hot enough to melt lead, clouds filled with sulfuric acid. It's one of the harshest environments in the solar system, certainly not a place for life as we know it. But here's the part that really is mysterious, and it's not a secret. In 2020, scientists reported signs of a gas called phosphine in Venus's atmosphere. On Earth, phosphine is linked to microbes. The finding is still debated, but it raised a huge question. Could life survive in the clouds of Venus? There's also something called the unknown ultraviolet absorber. When we look at Venus in ultraviolet light, its clouds have strange dark streaks that we can't fully explain. Some researchers wonder if these could be caused by chemical reactions or possibly by microscopic life floating in the atmosphere. And then there's geology. Radar maps show that Venus may still be volcanically active today, reshaping its surface even as we speak. That means the planet isn't just a dead rock. It's alive in a different way. The good news is, we don't have to rely on blurry photos and speculation forever. NASA is sending new missions to study Venus's atmosphere and surface in incredible detail. Europe's Envision mission will also map the planet from orbit. These missions could finally solve the mysteries that conspiracy theories only pretend to answer. So no, there are no hidden or forbidden images of Venus. The real pictures are already out there, and they show us a planet more extreme, more alien, and more mysterious than most science fiction. Sometimes the truth is stranger than the rumors.